Hi, I'm Dr. Khurrum Shaukat Yusafzai. Today's video is about the trip to Tanda Dam. Tanda Dam is in Kohat in the Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan.
So let's begin to go towards the Tanda Dam, which is about 80 kilometers from Peshawar, and it took like 2 hours and 20 minutes of the journey, as you can see on the map. It was a beautiful sunny day with spectacular valleys on the way. The journey was good. Most of the road was one way. At some places there is a dual carriageway, but the road needs a bit of improvement. On the way we saw a military checkpost where one has to stop and do a security checkup, but it was not a big hassle. On the way there was a Kohat tunnel as well, and we had to pass through the Kohat tunnel, which is made the way a bit shorter. After passing through the Kohat tunnel, you enter the city of Kohat. The city of Kohat has a cantonment area and a normal area. So after one passes the cantonment area, the Tanda Dam is a bit near, about 10 to 20 minutes drive. It was really beautiful driving towards the Tanda Dam. On the way there we saw the valleys and the mountains, and the village life was really beautiful. Since there is no fuel pumps and other stations to fill up, so you better have enough fuel reserve to reach the dam. These are the village, which are supplied water from the dam, and lot of children and families and the beautiful farm animals were also observed on the way. As you near the dam, you can see the Tanda Lake in the view, which shines in the sun. The winding road is a pretty cool sight, Here is the lake, very beautiful place, and most of the lake in the winter is covered by migratory birds from Siberia, and these birds are protected by international convention, and to protect them is the duty of the world, because this treaty actually covers about 3,000 sites worldwide, and Tanda Lake is one of the sites included in the 3,000 protected sites. So one can be punished by law if they do they damage this ecological site or do hunting of these birds over here. The lake had perfect blue waters, and it was shining in the sun. So we decided to stop the car and have a look at the lake and take some pictures. At the other side is the villages which are, depend on the dam for the water. It was such a nice day to have a respite from the heat and go there. After having the pictures, we were hungry, so we decided to have some food, and we tried to look for a restaurant where we can have food. So there was a pretty cool restaurant at the lakeside, and it offered fish cooked from the fresh fish from the lake of the Tanda Dam. So while we enjoyed the sightseeing and the boat trip on the lake, he was cooking the fish for us. The boat trip can also be arranged by the restaurant man, like you can book the trip from there and pay him, and he can arrange the boat for you. The food was also good, and although it took a while for the fish to cook, but it was nice to eat the fish on the top of the restaurant, the rooftop area. It's pretty cool to enjoy the sunset at the lakeside, because when the sun sets, the color changes from yellow to orange, and it's pretty amazing. And the boat trip was fun too. We saw a couple of cute cats and kittens. They were playing and having fun too, enjoying the nice view of the dam. So I hope you would also go to this place and have fun. So this is the treaty by which this is a protected area, and not to dirty it, and also to protect its ecology, and also not to shoot the birds or hunt them as they come migrating all the way from Siberia, Russia. And this is one of the international protected sites, as I was saying. and this area is about 10,000 acres big, and it's our national and international duty to protect it. Anybody found violating this treaty can be punished by the government of Pakistan. So this is sort of actually warning.
I thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.